All right, everybody, welcome to day 9 of our summer sketches. Today, we're gonna be drawing a sailboat using the number 4, the letter C, and we're also gonna use the letter V as well. We're gonna start with a number 4 right in the center, okay? Come down, and we're drawing a number 4. We're gonna get a little crazy today too, and we're gonna just turn that to the side, and at the bottom of the 4 we're going to draw the letter C, a big letter C. Okay, and we're going to flip this back around. Can you tell what's happening? Let's grab our pencil for the details. So we're going to take this end of the C and we're going to curve a line over to the other end of the C. All right, and then we're gonna draw a line straight across on the back of the boat there. All right, and next up, we're gonna draw the waves. So I'm gonna start here, and I draw a wave like this. Are you ready? I go up, over, and back down. Up, over, and back down. Now, you don't have to draw your waves like this if you just wanna do a line across. That's fine, but we are sailing the rough seas over here. And what I like to do for my boats is pretend like they're made out of wooden planks. So I just draw a couple lines, and then those are the different wood planks. And you can go in and we can add little line details that make them look a little bit more like wood. Okay, next up, oh, you know what? We can use another letter here. We can use the letter O for our sun. Let's give it some sun rays. And if you like to draw your sun rays differently than me, that is okay. Okay, here's where we're gonna use the letter V. Now, typically, this is what the letter V looks like. We're gonna do ours a little bit more spaced out and a little wavy too at the ends, like that. It's a fancy V, okay? And really what that does is it makes it look a little bit more like birds off in the distance. Do you see them? We're using our creativity here. All right, guys, let's outline. Now, I'm gonna just make this 4 go down to that bottom line there. And when we're outlining, if we need to adjust any of our lines, feel free. That's why I like to draw in pencil at first. Here are our wooden plank lines for the boat. Curious if any of you have ever been on a sailboat. I actually went on a sailboat the first time this year. And here are our waves. The rough seas ahead. There's our letter O. And our V's. I'm going to adjust these just a little bit. Look at those birds off in the distance, and check out our sailboat. I'm gonna erase a few lines and then we can color. And today I will be using some new markers that a friend of mine sent just for the summer sketches. I was so touched when I opened this package and there were all these markers just for Camp Kate and the summer sketches, you guys. I have the sweetest friends on the planet. It made my whole day. So let's start with the boat. And if I can, sometimes when I'm coloring things, I'll do a darker line. I have all these amazing markers. I get to have some real fun right now. I'm gonna grab a lighter brown. I mean, this is just so nice. I can't wait to see some of your guys' drawings. Always makes me so happy when I see my campers' drawings. color should we make the waves? Do a light and then I'll do dark first. And the reason I'll do a lighter and then a dark is that the dark one won't get messed up. But if I did a light marker over a dark marker, I might make a mark on the marker. Oh, how neat, look at this water. Don't you just want to dive in? Take a swim? Awesome. Let me see if I have a tan color for our sail. Old school pirate sail with a linen color. There you have it, you guys. Look at our sailboat. I hope you give this a try at home and don't forget to come back tomorrow for our next drawing.